Did you know that an inch of frozen water can cost you $1,000 or more in damages? Yes, you heard me right. An inch of water can set you back significantly. If you don't prepare for winter, even in a warm state here in Texas, that can be a big problem. All right, so what's the issue? Texas is known for its hot summers, warm sun, and relatively mild winters. But don't let that warm weather fool you. Temperatures can plunge, especially at night. The water in your pipes can freeze and expand, and it will rupture, then this will cause flooding. Your tankless water heater could also malfunction, or your outdoor faucet. They're also at significant risk. If you have a pool house, this adds another layer of potential problems. No one ever wants to wake up to a frozen disaster. Here are some solutions. You're going to shut your water off, and you need to locate your water meter. This is usually outside your home on your property line. You're going to find it in a black, metal, or green box. You're going to use a screwdriver to open it up, and then once you have it open, a water meter key. This can be purchased from a local big box store, or you can use the pliers if you don't have that. Another way to turn your water off is if you have a water softener loop in your garage. With that said, if you have a water softener loop in your garage, you may already have a water shutoff valve installed. You can use this valve to turn on and off the water supplied to your house. This way it won't affect your outside faucets. Next, if the temperature goes below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, you need to pencil stream your faucets. Run the hot and the cold water from the fixtures that are on an outside wall, about the size of this pencil. This is like giving your pipes cardio, and it will keep them from freezing. If you have an outdoor tankless water heater, power it down while you're pencil streaming. This is going to accomplish two things. First, you'll once again protect the heater from freezing by promoting water movement through the unit. And second, you'll prevent unnecessary heating while you're using water. Another thing to consider is faucet protection. Wrap your outdoor faucets with an old t-shirt and put some duct tape on it, and then you can put a faucet cover over top. This is the equivalent of putting a nice, cozy winter jacket on your outside faucets. And finally, if you have a pool house, you might want to consider going the extra mile. Turn off your water supply, drain all the lines, use an air compressor to blow them out, and then follow that up with some RV antifreeze in all the traps. This will help with any plumbing fiasco. Okay, now that you got all the tools to help you with your winter woes, why not take the plunge and get some professional help? Reach out to the expert plumbers who know the ins and the outs of winterizing homes in Texas. We'll not only make your pipes in tip-top shape, but will also give you the peace of mind that only comes from a home that's fully prepared for winter. So don't let winter sneak up on you and flood your life with problems. And hey, if you find this information helpful, don't keep it bottled up. Share it, please, with your family and friends. Thanks for listening, and stay warm, Texas.